Echo. In my beautiful world, there's a deep-seated longing, wanting to dive within, where clarity and contentment are waiting. It's not about what you have accomplished or achieved. It's not about wealth either. It's that mere essence of being where you are at peace and engaging in the things that ignite your innermost self. Dive deeper, I say. Go against the grain if need be. We have various portals of destiny. It's up to us to find the one where we want to be. Knock once, knock twice, knock multiple times. If you get knocked down, get up and don't think twice. Who says failures are worthless? There are nonetheless pillars of success. Any setbacks are the stepping stones of greatness. Get a hold of these and don't let go until you find peace and holiness.